We are extremely excited to announce the latest offering within the Axis Camera Station suite of solutions. Axis Camera Station Edge, Axis Camera Station Pro, and the Axis Camera Station Center license. Axis Camera Station Edge is a fully featured VMS and is a cam-to-cloud solution, offering simplified features for end customers and simplified installation and management for integrators. Axis Camera Station Pro is the next generation of the very well-known Axis Camera Station 5 and features new benefits including a data insights dashboard, a web client, Axis Object Analytic Unification, and cloud storage redundancy options. Now, tying both of these offerings together is the Axis Camera Station Center license. This license allows for unification of both on-premises Pro systems and cam-to-cloud Edge systems within our My Systems web client. If you would like to know more about the new Axis Camera Station offering, please visit our website or reach out to your local Axis sales representative.